I don't think we survived that crash.
It's showtime. Today we're mixing the nightlife with the afterlife. I got blueberries, a Mountain Dew, and enough vodka to make you sea ghosts. We call it Beetlejuice, because the juice is truly loose.
I'm the ghost with the most, babe.
Vodka and Mountain Dew. That's a mistake usually made in a dorm room, but we're fixing that today. Let's turn on the juice and see what shakes loose.
I say we open it.
You're gonna wanna pour a liter of Mountain Dew in a carafe. You're gonna wanna add 1.5 ounces of vodka. Riboflavin extract or B12 extract, whatever you prefer, you're gonna need about 1 ounce of that. We've set up these glasses with our popping pearls, which will act as our beetles. I found these spiffy little lights that we're gonna drop into the glass to create the Showtime effect. Dry ice.
The dowry's on me, Dad.
Here's to Lydia. Attention Kmart shoppers, we have another drink. Yes, it's frozen. You want to get some crushed ice, put it in the blender. Add 1/2 cup of almond milk, a cup of frozen blueberries, and 1/3 cup of monk fruit. This will be the sweetener. You're going to use the pulse setting on the blender to break the ice and then blend until slushy. Carefully pour into a glass. I filled up these vials with sour apple schnapps. Release the alcohol. Just as the tartness of the berries peak, the hint of cream washes over the palate. Gothically creamy. Here's your 2 tickets to the afterlife. One is bubbly and juicy, the other is thick and creamy. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Shortcuts. I'm David Seth, the killer chef, and
I got a card around here somewhere.
I got a card around here somewhere, I know.
I don't want to do business with you deadbeats anyway. Thank you.